Hello guys. So in this session, we are going to learn functions, modules, and packages in Python. So let's start. So first of all, let's understand the functions. So in Python, function is a block of reusable code designed to perform a specific task. Functions allows for more organized and modular and maintainable code. Okay. Then as you can see here, the syntax of function, you can see first of all def, then your function name, parameters, and this is a block of your code and the return value. Okay, so let's see the example of function. So the example is here def greet name, and in this here block of code return hello, right, name. Then print greet that DevOps int, that means hello DevOps int. Okay. Okay. So as you can see the example def greet me. Okay, so it will print greet, that means it's hello and DevOps int, right? So this is the example of function. Okay, so let's see. So let's run it. So let's save the file and click on run module. As you can see, hello, comma, and DevOps int, right? Why? Because in this example, return F hello and then comma here we have mentioned. Okay, so that's the example of function. Okay. Then in note, as you can see, first here I mentioned some notes, arguments, parameters. Okay, so data passed into functions, then return statement of a function can return values using return. Then functions can be called multiple times with different inputs promoting code reuse. Okay. Okay, so that's the function, right? So we have checked the what is function, then syntax and example and some notes. Okay, now let's move to the modules. Okay, so let's understand what is module. So module is a file containing Python definitions and statements. For example, functions, classes, or variables that can be imported and used in other Python script. Okay, so as you can see here, creating modules. So how to create module? So any Python file, for example, mymodule.py is a module. Suppose we have a file named mymodule.py here, and in this module we have this code, right? So that's the module we have created here. Okay. Now, after that, importing a module. So you can import and use a module's functions in another script. How? So first of all, you need to create one file with main.py. And in this file, first of all, import my module. You can enter this module name. Then result my module add 5, comma 3, print result, and it will the output will be 8. Okay, right. Then next is importing specific functions. If you want to import any specific function like add, you can see from my module import add and print add 5.3 5 comma 3, that means it will be print 8, output will be 8. So that is the importing a module. Okay, then Python standard library. Okay, so here Python comes with many pre-built modules like maths, OS, and SYS, that means system, right? That you can get import and use without writing your own. Okay, like you can see here, I have mentioned example. Okay, so first of all, import math, OS, then JSON. Okay, then print that square root of 16. So as you know, the square root of 16 is 4, right? So let's see the example of this Python standard library. Right, 4.0, that means the square root of 16 is 4. If I enter 25, as you know, the root of 25, square root 5, right? Okay. So that's the Python standard library, and here maths, OS and system you can see. Okay. Then the next is packages. Okay, so let's understand packages. So package is a collection of Python modules organized in directories. Each package contains an init.py file, which signifies that the directory is a Python package. And packages help you organize related modules into a hierarchy. Okay. So here creating a package. So how to create package? The structure of package might look like this. My package init.py. This they initialize the package, then module.py, a module inside the package, module2.py is the another module. Okay. So here I mention example. You can see first of all my package module1.py, dev greet return hello from module1, and the module my package module2.py dev farewell return goodbye from module 2. Okay, so that's the farewell. Okay, then my package .py, this file can be empty or it can define symbols that will be available when you import the packages. Okay, so here you can see importing a package main.py. From my package, import module 1, module 2. That's module 1, module 2. Right? Then it will be print module 1 dot grid, then module 2 dot grid. Then it will be print output hello from module 1 and goodbye from module 2. Okay. So that's the example of packages. Right? So installing external packages. So you need to install external packages. So you can install third-party packages using PIP. Python's package manager like PIP install your package name. Okay, for example, installing a popular request package. So you need to command this PIP install request. Okay, then you can then use it to your program import request and response and print. Okay, so that's the example of this request package, right? Then functions example. Okay, so as you can see here, I mentioned some example of functions. So first of all, num1 is equals to 10, num2 is equals to 20. Then def addition. So add num1 plus num2, print add. Then def subtraction, that's the addition one function, subtraction second function, multiplication third function, right? Then after that, here I mentioned the function names, right? Then it will print output. Okay, so let's see. As you can see, the subtraction, so the addition is 30, right? 20 plus 10, 30. The subtraction is 10, 20 minus 10, 10. Then the multiplication is 200. 20 into 10 is equals to 200, right? Then another way to writing the function, you can see first of all def addition num1 comma num2, add is equals to num1 plus num2, return add. Okay, then def subtraction num1 comma num2, subtraction is equals to num2 minus num1, return subtraction. Then def multiplication num1 plus comma num2, mul is equals to num1 into num2, return mul. Then in print addition 50 comma 10, subtraction 5 comma 10, print multiplication 10 comma 20. That means the number is years, right? So as you can see in this function and in this function, the difference, we have mentioned this number here and we have mentioned the number in this function, right? So let's run this. And as you can see, 15 to comma 10, 50 plus 10, 60. Then 10 minus 5 is equals to 5, right? And 10 into 20 is equals to 200, right? So that's the second example of function, right? Then after that module example, you can see the module example, import function test add function 1 and function addition. That's the example of module. Okay. So that's it, right? So in this session, we have learned functions, modules, and packages in Python. So thank you for watching, and I hope you understand.